Hello everyone, my name is Hatim Jadwala. Today we are going to solve a numerical on topic plasticity characteristic of soil in geotechnical engineering. This numerical was asked in December 2017 for 10 marks. Okay, let's start the numerical. The plastic limit of a soil is 25% and its plasticity index is 8%. When the soil is dried from its state at plastic limit, the volume changes is 25% of its volume at plastic limit. Similarly, the corresponding volume change from the liquid limit to dry state is 34% of its volume at liquid limit. Determine the shrinkage limit and shrinkage ratio. Okay, let's start the numerical. We have to find out shrinkage limit and shrinkage ratio. Okay, first we have to find out what is the liquid limit. For that we have to use formula liquidity index IP equals to liquid limit minus plastic limit. Okay, the IP is given as 8 WL minus plastic limit is given as 25. So liquid limit equals to 33%. Okay, now we have to find out volumetric shrinkage. Okay, volumetric shrinkage. Vs equals to volume at liquid limit minus dry volume divided by dry volume multiply by 100 equals to 34. Okay, this is a 34% when liquid limit is dried. Okay, this is that volume of liquid limit when it is dry, it is reduced the percent 34%. Okay, next we have to solve this equation. VL divided by VD equals to 1.34, VD equals to 0.7462 VD VL. Okay, this is the first equation. Next we have to find out for plastic limit. Okay, volumetric shrinkage for plastic limit. Vs equals to Vp minus dry volume divided by Vd. Okay, Vp is the volume at plastic limit equals to multiply by 100 equals to volume change is 25%. We have to multiply by 25. Okay, after solving the equation we will get Vp equals to 1.25 Vd. Okay, we have to assume the volume at liquid limit be 1 ml. Okay, let volume at liquid limit VL be 1 ml. Okay, therefore VD equals to dry volume equals to volume at shrinkage limit, because in this range the volume equal to dry volume equals to volume at shrinkage limit, means all voids are filled up with water. Equals to when VL is taken as 1 ml, therefore VD equals to 0.7462 ml. Next we have to find out volume at plastic limit. Equals to VD is 0.7462 multiplied by 1.25, so 0.93275 ml. Okay, just we have to plot into graph. Okay, this is the VD, volume at dry will equal to volume at shrinkage limit. Okay, after increasing water the volume gets increases. Okay, WP. Okay, at WP it will be 0.93, and when it reaches to liquid limit the volume becomes 1 ml. Okay, just we have to put into a equation WL minus WP divided by WL minus WP means 1 minus 0.93275 equals to WL minus WS. WL minus WS means 1 minus 0.74. Okay, the answer will be, just we have to put all the values. WL is the 33%. Okay, this is 33%, means 0.33 minus 0.25 divided by 1 minus 0.93275 equals to WL is a 0.33 minus WS divided by 1 minus 0.762. Okay, after the solving the equation we will get shrinkage limit. Okay, shrinkage, therefore shrinkage limit equals to WS equals to 0.028. Okay, which is 2.8%. Okay, we have found out shrinkage limit. Now we have to find out shrinkage ratio. Okay, shrinkage ratio. The formula for shrinkage ratio is SR equals to volume 2 minus volume 1 divided by dry volume divided by W2 minus W1. Okay, just V2 we have considered the volume at liquid limit. Okay, so V2 will be 1 minus V1 is the volume at plastic limit. Okay, so 1 minus 0.93275 divided by VD. Okay, volume at dry. This will be equals to volume at shrinkage limit. So it will be 0.7462 divided by W1 is the water at liquid limit. Okay, volume at 1 will be WL. So liquid limit is 0.33 minus W1 is the plastic limit. W1 we have considered plastic limit, so it will be 0.25. Okay, so therefore shrinkage ratio will be 1.126. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching.